Hello everyone, today we're celebrating Cinco de Mayo, so we are going to make mini pinata poppers. So what you'll need for this craft is a toilet paper roll, some tissue paper. I am going to be using streamers for the outside, but you can also use just regular tissue paper as well. Some string, scissors, and preferably double-sided tape. For some reason, this is the only tape I own, so we're just gonna work with what we have. So here we go. So the first step to the piñata is to take one of your pieces of tissue paper that you've already cut out, and this is going to be the bottom of the piñata. So I'm going to, just for extra support, I'm going to tape the center of this because this is actually where the string is gonna go, and this will prevent your tissue paper from ripping while you're putting the string through. So next what you're going to do is you're going to take the tissue paper that has the tape on it and kind of fold it over a little bit, and just put a little hole there, not too big, just enough so that you can get the string through there. So next you're going to take your string, I have mine folded in half, and you're just going to put it through the spot that you just created with your scissors. Now this might be a little tedious here. Just be patient because you don't want to rip your paper. There you go. All right. So it should look like that. So once you have the string through, you're going to tie the folded end in a knot. All right, and the knot is actually going to go on the inside of the piñata. So there you go. This is the first thing you're going to put onto your toilet paper roll. You're just going to place this over the knots, and you are actually going to tape this down the best that you can. It's not going to look pretty right now. Go ahead and have some tape already pre-cut here. There you go. But once you have your piñata filled with whatever you put in it, you're going to put the top on. It's the exact same way that we did the bottom, just we didn't need a string. So let's go ahead and do that. I know it doesn't look that pretty right now, but we're going to cover it up so you won't be able to see all this tape here. So what you're going to do is you're going to take your streamers or your tissue paper if that's what you wanted to use. And I actually am just going to go ahead and measure this out with the toilet paper roll so I know how much I'm going to use. Okay, and I'm going to go ahead and cut that. Now, once you have yours cut out, you can use this to measure out the rest of your colors. I'm gonna cut about 6 or so out. You can do as many as you want. So let's go ahead and get that done. So next, what I recommend doing is stacking your colors on top of each other, how you want them to be on your piñata. So go ahead and do that. So next, what we're going to do is we're going to cut out the little tassels that are on our piñata. So in order to do that, you're just going to have them stacked, and you're just going to cut about halfway. You do not want to go all the way up, so go ahead and do that. So next we're going to start putting together our piñata. This is the part where the double-sided tape would definitely be much easier to use, but again, I'm going to work with what I have. So what you're going to do is you're going to take your strip here, and you're just going to tape it on here like that, and just wrap it around. You're going to want to start from the bottom and work your way up. So here we go. No. My cat is very eager to get his little piñata. Cannot keep him off of the table. No, babies. Stop it. All right, and your piñata is done. So as you guys could tell from the video, my cat is very eager to get his snacks. So let's go ahead and open this for him. All right, come here, come here. You guys want your treats? All right, here we go. Happy Cinco de Mayo. Happy Cinco de Mayo.